Once a whistleblower determines to his or her satisfaction that there's a possibility or a probability of healthcare fraud, there are many options that present themselves to that whistleblower. Should they report it internally? Should they report it to some sort of regulatory body in their area of the country, whether state or federal? Those questions are asked. Whether they should approach the Attorney General of their state or otherwise report ethics violations in some other way. Again, the important thing to do in those circumstances for a whistleblower is to, as quickly as possible, talk to a healthcare fraud attorney experienced with the False Claims Act. The reason for this is that if you take other routes first, you may be limiting your ability to protect yourself, in addition to limiting your ability to be rewarded for the risk you're taking as a whistleblower. Once you start a conversation with someone experienced under the False Claims Act, an attorney, you aren't giving up the ability to pursue those other avenues, but you will be looking at those other options with more information. And you'll be able to look at the whole picture and weigh the pros and cons of your options. The False Claims Act is unique in the protections that it offers and the incentives that it offers. You cannot trust, in most circumstances, the internal reporting mechanisms or other regulatory bodies to protect you as a whistleblower. And in worse circumstances, you in fact may be inviting retaliation against you. The False Claims Act offers certain protections to whistleblowers that are important for any potential healthcare fraud whistleblower to consider. So as a whistleblower, when you are investigating law firms and lawyers, you want to look at the track record of our firm and our attorneys and the kinds of cases we've handled and handled successfully. At Hagens Berman, we do not take weeks and months to decide and evaluate your case. We have a reputation for being very efficient, and we will quickly evaluate the merits of your case. As you might expect, we speak with hundreds of whistleblowers every year, and we're very committed to the cases that we select and to the whistleblowers that we represent. Unique among many whistleblower law firms, we have settled many of the largest cases in the history of U.S. litigation. We encourage you to contact us and have your potential claim evaluated confidentially in privileged conversations with our whistleblower attorneys.